I can use parentheses, brackets, or braces in numerical expressions to simplify the expression. Today the students will be using PEMDAS to solve the expressions. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. Now the students actually will use each one of these. Parentheses and exponents are not interchangeable. However, multiplication and division, when they start back over, it depends on which order they come in. Division could come before multiplication, or multiplication could come before division. Also, the same thing with addition and subtraction. These are units. Subtraction could come before addition, and addition could come before subtraction. It just depends on the order in which they appear in the problem. If the students are given the example, 3 cubed plus bracket 5 parenthesis 12 minus 3 parenthesis bracket plus 6, and they are asked to simplify it. Well, first thing the students would do would be use PEMDAS, and in the order of PEMDAS, parentheses come first. In this case, the parentheses are actually the brackets. So the problem the students actually have in front of them are 5 parenthesis 12 minus 3 parenthesis. So if they go back now, because this was what was in the brackets, they still have to follow the order of operations. So inside this problem, you have 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So now the students have 5, and understood in between a number and a parenthesis, the operation is understood to be multiplication. So now they have 5 times 9. So they have solved this bracket to be 45. Okay, let's look at go back to the original problem. So now they have 3 cubed plus 45 plus 6. Now, 3 cubed is actually 3 to the third power. So the students have to go back to the beginning of the problem, and they have no more parentheses. So the next order in the order of operation is an exponent. 3 is your exponent. That means you're going to write down 3 times. And you're going to say 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. The exponent tells the students how many times to multiply that number. So 3 to the third power is actually 27, and the rest of the problem would be plus 45 and plus 6. They go back to the beginning. There's no more exponents. There's no more parentheses. We have no multiplication or division. Now we're at addition and subtraction. So 27 plus 45 is going to give the students 72 plus 6. 72 plus 6 is 78. The students have simplified the problem to 78.